We're back with Bettendorf Mayor Bob Gallagher. Flooding certainly hampered the Quad Cities for months. We talked a lot about the damage that we saw in Davenport, Moline, Buffalo, and Pleasant Valley neighborhoods. Part of River Drive, though, in Bettendorf closed for weeks. What kind of damage did you see in areas overall under your domain in Bettendorf?
Well, that flood wall in Bettendorf is really a godsend when it comes to flooding, and it's protected the entire city. We did see, and we do have to close River Drive, so we saw some flooding there, kind of at the end of downtown at about 8th Street. That really kind of feeds into the Davenport flooding, because there's a lot of times we can be open to the East Village, but our friends in Davenport have requested that we not keep that stretch open so that they can have the folks in the East Village deal with
detour.
What is happening, correct, and get them up 6th Street. So yeah, that becomes a problem. And there's those who have chosen to live on Harbor Drive, which is kind of a one-way street, so about a semicircle there. Beautiful area, but that's going to flood. So we take them sandbags and they put up their walls, and they're very happy, I think, with the city's response. We help them out a lot.
How much does Bettendorf have to take stock of things after the flood of 2019? What kind of changes need to be considered, though, in terms of evaluation? Do you have to work with the other municipalities as well on something like this? Or?
Absolutely. We stood up our command center when the flood stage got to a record spot, and I was out there for 2 days with Mayor Klipsch and County Board Supervisor Kenobi, taking a look at all of the things that we can do. And I think we're in a supportive role. And trying to provide assets and resources like our trucks and our sandbags and those kinds of things. We delivered, thousands upon thousands of sandbags to Davenport in a cooperative effort. So I think what we do now is, as they have their postmortem talks, we kind of help in a supporting role.
Are you involved and engaged in those meetings? Are there specific steps you think need to be done to protect the streets and infrastructure better, I guess, in Bettendorf and the Quad Cities as a whole?
Well, we're working together. Absolutely, we're involved. Our team is involved more so in administration and public works than is the mayor, some in finance. And Davenport, certainly finance and public works are involved. We have had multiple meetings in the response to the flood, and we continue to have those meetings so that we can continue to learn what those issues were, and if there's anything we at the City of Bettendorf can do to help the entire community, we'll certainly be a good partner.
Do you expect some specific changes that we'll be seeing in the next year?
I don't know how Davenport's going to look at what happened specifically. There have been conversations at the county-wide and community-wide level, but they'll have to make those decisions.
But nothing in Bettendorf, you're pretty cool.
Very comfortable with our flood response in Bettendorf, very comfortable.
Mayor Bob Gallagher, we certainly appreciate the conversation as always. Good luck with everything in Bettendorf. Great to see you again.